Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce you all to Financy. Financy is an AI and natural language based model to manage your finances and daily expenses and savings. It can help you split your bills with your friends and your expenses through the image recognition. The idea is inspired from a tech startup, but the main goal of the idea is to make the tech open source, making it totally based on Node.js such that everyone can use it efficiently. The next step of the idea will be adding Web3 based platform in the Financy where you can add your Solana wallet to the Financy and you can interact with the Financy, making changes into your Solana wallet, transferring amount from one Solana account to other Solana account. So let's see how we can interact with Financy and use different features of financing. First, we'll see how we can onboard someone on financing. Here I'm putting a message to the financing to take me on board. We got a message from financing, making yes, he sees us as a first-time user and asked us to add our UPI. We'll add our UPI in this. Add UPI. Okay, so I have shared my UPI ID with him. Now he'll check the UPI ID and add it for us. Next, we can add our friends whom we daily interact with in our day-to-day life, or we want to share our expenses or split bills with them. So I'll add one of my friends. So I have created a message where I'm adding my friend Selva to my friend list. I'll send the name and my phone number to the financier, and he will add Selva to my friend list. Now Selva has been added to my friend list. Now I can go further and make expenses and savings. Can continue my portfolio on financing. So I'll make an expense with like um, 8 vada pav of rupees 20. Okay, so I have added an expense of rupees 20. The reason is I ate vada pav. Next, I can make an saving. Save 20,000 rupees to my savings bank account. Here, I'll make a saving to my financing and he'll add this to my database and we'll see that 2,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees has been added to our savings account. Next, financing can split bills with your friends, and what it'll do is when you make a split message, it will deduct the amount from your expenses and also share a message with my UPI link, QR code, and a payment link to my friend. So as we have added Selva in the first place, so we'll use Selva to split a bill of rupees 200 with him. So we'll get a bill of rupees 100 in my expenses and 100 in Selva's expense. So I'll ask financing to split 100 rupees with 200 rupees with Selva. So now ask financing to split the 200 rupees expense which I made with Selva so that Selva can get the response. Here, Selva has got the UPI code in his WhatsApp, where he can use that to share that with me. Financing can also recognize images, and from images, it can extract out the expenses which you have made and add those expenses to the database. Here is an example of an image. Financy can also recognize images and extract out expenses from them. Here is an example of an image. We can take it as example as I purchased the food coupon, which is of rupees 60. So by going through an example, so here we can see Financy has successfully recognized the expense of rupees 60 and it has added that to our expenses such that Financy can manage all your transactions and manage them for you at one place. We will be building a front end for finances soon where you can see all your expenses at once, take out an uh, total expenditure PDF format list for you and work with that. Financy is open source on GitHub. You can visit the Finance's GitHub link and explore Financy by yourself. I'll be posting the Financy documentation soon, by which you can install Financy on your machine and run it locally by yourself. Thank you.